Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm pretty much just going to be showing you how to download an emulator, and if you don't know what that is, it's pretty much like, um, I don't know, like not an app, but something that you can play like old NES and Nintendo 64, sorry, and DS games on. But first you want to go to emulatorgames.net, link will be in the description or it's just right here as you can see. This site is awesome because it has like the emulators themselves and the ROMs, which I'll talk more about. But first, you want to click on this emulators tab right here, and when you scroll down here, these are going to be all the emulators. So, um, whatever you're gonna play, whichever game you want to play. So, say you want to play Game Boy Advance games on your computer, or Nintendo DS games on your computer. I'll just do Game Boy Advance just for this video. I have Visual Boy. It's good. It's a really good um, emulator. So I'm just gonna go to it, click on that, and then click on Download Emulator. Okay, I don't know. Okay, click on Download Emulator and start in 4 seconds, 3 seconds. And I don't think it shouldn't have ads, but if it does, then just don't click on them. And here it is, and we'll be right back when it's fully downloaded, and I'll have it on my desktop. Alright guys, we're back, and this is pretty much what it should look like. I have WinRAR. Um, you guys don't have to have WinRAR, but I just have it. So what you want to do is just double click on the file, um, and okay, sorry, that was not supposed to happen. Click on the folder, and then click on application. So it might be different. Well, sorry, it might be different. I have WinRAR again. If you don't have WinRAR, I would recommend getting it because it comes in clutch sometimes. But yeah, click on, I guess, the first folder and then application. If you see the type, click on application. Um, if you just comment, I may be able to help you if you don't have WinRAR. But yeah, and then it should download. And I've already had it downloaded. Um, so I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, and here it is. It's just going to open this screen. And that's good. That's the first part of the video. You have your emulator down. Sorry, I was impatient and I clicked twice. But you're going to have your emulator down. And that's the first part of the video. Now, you just need games. So, if you go back to that website, again, link is going to be in the description. This time, go to ROMs. Instead of emulators, make sure you click on ROMs. Again, click on Game Boy Advance. It's going to look like the same page, but it's games. So download any game you want. I'll just download, I mean, it doesn't really matter. We'll download Spider-Man, just because why not? Just a random game, right? Do save game. And this isn't the only website. You guys may find a better website, but I like this one. Yeah, and it shouldn't take too long. My internet speed is garbage, so for you guys it might be 2 seconds, but for me it's like 30 seconds for 7 megabytes. But yeah, just gonna let that download, and yeah, see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, once you're done with that, you should see pretty much a file like this. I dragged it out onto my desktop, but it should be in your download folder. Now, you don't want to double click on this. I mean, you can, but you'll literally see nothing. Like, yeah, you can't do anything with that. Instead, you want to open up your emulator, right? File, open, and then you'll see I have a lot of emulators, but you'll see, I mean, I have a lot of ROMs, but you'll see a couple of the ROMs, and we'll just click on one. So, Pokemon Fire Red, and okay, just okay. But yeah, it's loading up, and the controls are a little bit weird, um, but they are cool. And you can also load a state. So if you do load, then you can just come right here, and this is pretty much the game that I'm on. I'm playing it, um, running, yeah. But yeah, I can have an emulator tutorial pretty much work this whole emulator if you guys want me to. But this is pretty much just how you set up the game. It's really hard. Like, whenever you first start playing it, if you've never played an emulator before on a computer, it's so weird because you have to play Pokemon using keys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, again, if you guys want me to do a tutorial, this I can. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.